And welcome to Loews Coronado Bay Resort in Coronado, California, with your host, Kayla. Yep, that's me. Come with me as we explore this amazing beachside resort and eat all our meals with a view. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Now we're local to San Diego, so this was just a bit of a staycation for us, but if you're looking for the perfect beachy escape, like this is your place. Only trouble is, our room was like 10 million light years away. Thank goodness for this guy taking our luggage to our room, because I swear this was the longest walk I've ever taken to my room. Take the elevator down and then do some more walking. But honestly, it's all worth it when you get to the room because this room is freaking amazing.
Oh, hi YouTube land, didn't see you there. I was just sipping my champagne. I'm getting the party started early. Let's see what time is it. It's 3, it's not that early. Anyways, guess where we are today, you guys? If you guess that we are at the Loews Hotel in Coronado, you would be correct. I'm looking at some beautiful yachts. I'm gonna show you in just a second. They gave me some champagne when we checked in, and it was free champagne, free champagne, free champagne, free champagne, oh, free champagne. Okay, so I got my champs. It's very, very beachy, obviously. We're on the beach. Well, not a beach, it's a marina, but it's still beautiful and it's awesome. All right, let's go. 5, 3, 2, 6, marina view. I'll just take you right on out here. Bam. Holy crap, it's beautiful. Oh, those little homes over there. Not little, I don't know why I said little. They're definitely not little. They're like multi-million-dollar homes. Ooh, look at that yacht. Woo, fallen. Got a little sitting space so I can have my coffee, which I had in the morning. Not really sure what accent that was, but okay. All right, so here's the room. Cute, expensive, but awesome. Hey YouTube land!
Next we're gonna mosey on out to the pool area because I heard there was food out here and I go where the food is. Amazing, beautiful pool? Meh, give me the food.
And for $2.50 a day, you can get one of these.
The Coronado Bay Resort is on a peninsula, so literally everywhere you look, you're gonna be surrounded by water, which makes for some incredible views. Now finally to the food I promised you. This is La Cantina, which is their poolside restaurant. And if you've ever been to Korea, or you might have seen it at some Korean restaurants, this little button you just push and your waiter will come out. This footage was taken kind of a while ago, so you'll notice Summer only has 4 teeth.
Okay, you get one taco for 14.
Ceviche. Ceviche. Pretty good. You're gonna get, you get the ceviche. It's good. Get tacos.
I don't know about you, but I could really use a poolside watermelon margarita right about now.
Ooh, that's good.
Boo! Look at that smile. Boo!
The tacos are surprisingly good because we're right next to the border, so I guess we're kind of taco snob, right? So these tacos are actually really good, especially for being in a touristy area. Here goes nothing. Yum. Wow. 3 tennis courts. My grandma used to have one of these, but I remember when I was a kid, I was sitting in the middle and my foot got caught in here, like right in here.
Next, we popped on over to have a peeky poo at their spa.
I love it. Oh, I see the blue, but I'm a pink girl myself.
The spa had some pretty cute products and some nice services, but I was really impressed by the gym. do some more exploring. OMG. Have you seen this staircase? Have you seen this lobby? Wow, talk about grand. I highly recommend picking up some snacks and maybe a coffee at their little bistro and heading out here onto their patio. There's also this cute little indoor-outdoor area with a TV and a bar you can hang out at. Ugh, I just can't get enough of this staircase. Or if you have kids, you can pop on over to the game room. They actually have a movie screen out by the pool, so if you want to swim and watch a movie at night, you can do that. Oh, and by the way, the views are just as spectacular at night, if not more. They have tons of indoor-outdoor seating, but if you really want a fire pit, I suggest you get there early because by the time we got there, they were all gone. It's all lit up and we're right by the ocean. Maybe have a drink. Maybe we'll get a little drinky. Good orange margarita. The John Lemon. Why is that so funny to me? He's lounge. Get stroll through the Grove Garden. I love that there's a lot of, no, that's a bad angle. I love that there's a lot of seating area everywhere. I can sit behind me. There's like a patio and then like a patio below that. And there's tons of space on the inside to sit. Also, there are like 15 fire pits. That's an exaggeration. 7 fire pits? Could be like 7 fire pits. And then there's this thing. See? There's not even anyone over here.
A chocolate mousse tart and the strawberry shortcake.
This is a mocktail, and wow, it's a really beautiful mocktail. This is the stroll through the Grove Garden, and it is a non-alcoholic drink. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Okay, this is a good evening. This is so good. I cannot believe it's non-alcoholic. And it's pretty. Just because I've had my quota of alcoholic drinks for the day does not mean I cannot have fun. And this is amazing. I can't believe it's so delicious. It's non-alcoholic. Mocktails should all be like this. Beautiful and make you feel good and you get to look cool, I guess. I don't know. I'm enjoying it and I'm enjoying it by the fire and it's a pretty amazing night, so what are you gonna do? Hi, good morning, welcome to Crown Landing. The next morning we popped over to Crown Landing. It's their little breakfast spot and it's right on the marina. Well, just like everything is here, I guess. It's a cute little beachy spot. The food here was really good, but the views were even better. Good morning. We're having breakfast. It's a beautiful pier view. I'm feeding little bits to the baby. It's very beautiful. I haven't done my makeup yet. About to have my salmon. Summer's having her eggs. You go, little baby. Boop. Yeah. I cannot believe how little Summer was. She was just learning to crawl when I took this footage. Today's the day we check out, so I guess the last thing to do is just enjoy the view. This place is so serene and beautiful. Best believe that one of the first places I'm gonna stay when this self-quarantine is over is Loews Coronado Bay Resort. I have new travel uploads every Tuesday, so be sure to like and subscribe for new content. And until next time, love you guys so much.